Guys, welcome to my channel. And camera driver not installing in getting issue. So guys, first click to start, type device manager, open it, then find out the camera extend, select this, right click, click to uninstall, click only uninstall. After that it will remove it the camera from there. After that click to action and then click to scan hardware changes, and then it will come back again. Then again extract, select this, right click to update driver and update automatically, and then close it. Next, make sure camera access is enabled, so please check, click to start, then click to setting, and then click to privacy and setting, and then find out the camera, and let's check which is software to allow your camera. Okay, so you are attending the meeting, so allow it. Okay, and then close it. Then next, open any browsers and Google search box to type. If you are using different, so you can type it and then hit enter. End of, you have to type the driver only. Then this is first link, which is official website. Scroll down, select the operating system which is using. If we are using Windows 11, so you can download the Windows 10 driver, so it will install in the Windows 11 also. Okay, scroll down and then extract keyboard mouse input device, then scroll down, then you can see camera driver. Okay, and click to download. Guys, try to download latest one. After that it will start the downloading. It will take some time. It will, you can see it is 10 MB driver. This is size, and then completed. Single click to open it. Then this is installation window, and then click to next. I accept, then next. This is locations, you can save, and then click to next. Now it is installing. Now it is installing the camera driver. Now it is installed, and then no, I will restart later because of I have a command, so we have to complete it. Click to start and type cmd, right click to run as administrator, and then type sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. After that it will start a percentage, and when it is completed 100%, then need to restart your system guys. Thank you.